Hello, everyone. My name is Monica Bravo. I am the founder of Sisterhood Tech Society, and I am so happy to share with you creating a course membership and launching your funnel all in one spot. And it's one of my favorite apps. It is called Kartra. So I'm going to share this app with you, and we're going to get started. Now, if you have any questions later, I want you to make sure that you send me a private message and you let me know what questions you have. What I really want you to think of is, what are you really creating for your course or your membership? What is the opt-in? We're going to talk about this very soon. So I'm going to share my screen. So the really nice thing about Kartra is there's an academy and there's some done for you programs. When you set it up, there's all these items on the left: products, campaigns, pages, forms, membership. So this will host your membership, and this is yay, a new clean and clear membership that I'm creating for one of my beautiful clients. So what I like to do in the beginning is just to go to the one-stop shop, and you can go here to the right. That will say done for you campaigns. This will help you with your list builder. That means getting clients to your specific website, having them enter your emails, their email, and giving them a freebie, right? A book funnel, if you have a book, a list builder funnel, a quick launch funnel, and then a 4-day cash machine. And the cash machine is really about selling a specific course, product, membership. So what I like to do when I'm setting up is just starting here. So you can complete the profile, you can import your list, you can create tags, and really tags are one of the most important things you can do, because tags are going to tag one of your sisters, your soul sisters, for a membership. Tag someone that opened your 5-day freebie. Tag someone that came to a class and they gave you your email. Tag someone that came to a retreat. Tag someone that opened your newsletter. So you can tag on all these different steps and really find where people are connecting with you. And you can keep track of where people are really connecting with you and your message. So you can integrate your payment gateway, which is usually PayPal for most of us. You can configure your product. You can import your leads. So if you have leads from any other platform, you would export them and import them into Kartra. You can send a broadcast. That would be just like MailChimp. That would just be a newsletter sending a broadcast. You would design an opt-in form. Now, if you spent some time with me as a client, you know opt-in is numero uno, I feel, because this is where you give your heart and soul to a product. Like mine is the 10 clients in 10 days. And then people opt in to get that. You really let them see yourself, and then they give you their email, and then you'll have their email for whatever you do in the future, right? So this is huge. And then many people think they need to have a website, but if you don't have a blog and you're not posting every 3 days, you really don't need to have a website. You can create a landing page, and a landing page is just going to host what you're about. It's going to host your About Me page. It's going to host your course page, your membership page, and really get people connected with you and what you are about. Then there's an automated sequence you'll be able to set up. There is a help desk portal, which is super awesome because people can submit help desk questions. You will be able to upload videos, and you will be able to create your membership site. And let me tell you, you will not only create your membership site, but you can create your course, a 5-day free challenge. You can create uploads if you have, if you're a holistic health coach and you're uploading recipes. the nice thing about Kartra is you can upload videos right here. You can upload a playlist of videos so that people can watch. Look at this beautiful sequence, 3, 4 videos. You can host your membership. You can host your campaigns related to free subscribers, paying subscribers, and VIP subscribers. So that's something that you really want to make sure that you're doing and you're integrating. And then you can sell your products, whether it's your course, your affiliate program, whatever it is. Okay, so that is just step 1 in Kartra. So remember, when you're going in, be very careful with these done for you campaigns, because if you didn't fill everything out, you might send some yucky ducky emails. Been there, done that. When you come into Kartra, you have to do all of this. I am your tech savvy sister. I can do it for you, and I love it. It's my dream. It's my love. So just send me a message, okay? And we will chat soon. Love y'all. Bye.